how to fix USB headphones not working with no audio output on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the Ultra, or the Edge. Here you can see if I play music, it plays through the loudspeaker, but when I plug in my headphone, it does not work. It still plays through the loudspeaker only. Okay, so to fix this problem, we tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on Developer Options. From the Developer Options page, scroll down, and in here, we're going to tap on Disable USB Audio Routing. Make sure this is turned off. Then tap on the Home button and remove your USB headphone. Now start the music playing app and plug it back in. And now the audio is going through the earphone. So it's going through the earphone right now. And that's it. That's how you can fix it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.